Donald Trump, it's something like a fool sitting on the seat of the kingdom. And that Donald Trump told that Indian economy is a dead economy. So I am asking, are you kidding? Whether Indian economy is dead economy? बिल्कुल नहीं. कौन सी एनालिसिस से डोनाल्ड ट्रंप बोला था? We are going to understand from this particular perspective how and on what basis he told, and a strong answer was been given by our Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal. 5 points were been raised in order to address the question which was been put by Trump, saying that Indian economy is dead economy. For example, what are the points which are being told by him? The best example is, if you see the GDP of our country last year, from 2024 to 2025 financial year, our GDP growth rate is 1.4%, whereas America growth rate is 1.5%. So we are growing big, but still this fellow is telling that India is dead economy. So on what basis we are telling that yes, Indian economy is not at all dead economy and Indian economy is strong economy? On what basis I am telling? Because the Trump is feeling very jealous, mainly because the BRICS is growing. BRICS is growing bigger than the United States of America. The BRICS is growing bigger than the European Union. On this context, this jealous Trump cannot fit into this, and he had announced 25% tariffs on India. High tariffs on India, which is not at all contextual. And number two, warned of additional penalties. And third, expressed displeasure over BRICS and called India a dead economy, and promoting, motivating Pakistan and saying that Pakistan is having oil reserves and one day the Pakistan is going to import oil to India, which is a foolish thing, which is impossible. So these were the things which were being made by this particular person. So in order to answer this question, our Minister Piyush Goyal ji, India's 5-point response to the dead economy jibe which was been given by this particular person. So 5 points were being told. Number one, no compromise on national interest, whatever it may be. We are not going to compromise on national interest, and for us, the Indians are the first. For us, it is not the economy, it is not the USA, it is not any other. For us, the Indian economy is the prime motto. For us, the Indians are the priority. It is not the friendship with the Trump, it is not the friendship with the United States of America. For us, the India is everything. Whatever may be the context, the national interest will prevail. Whatever it may be, the nation first is our ideology, was being told by Piyush Goyal. Number two, he told that India is the fastest growing economy. Now only you saw 6.5% of our GDP, whereas those people GDP somewhere around 1.6% of the GDP. India is the fastest growing economy. Now we are in the 4th position. So very soon we are going to plan to become the 3rd economy of the world. Still this person is telling that Indian economy is a dead economy. And third, India to be the 3rd largest economy, as I told you. Earlier we were 5th position, then last year we reached 4th position, and now we are targeting to become 3rd position. And by 2047, by the Amrit Kal, by the time we reach 100 years of independence, I am sure that India is going to be the world's largest economy. So hence, these were the answers which were been given by our Piyush Goyal Minister ji, and he told that our main motto is self-reliance. Atmanirbhar Bharat. Our self-reliance, Atmanirbhar Bharat, is our target. So we are not going to depend on any other country. It can be oil, it can be gold, it can be electronics, whatever it may be. We are not going to depend upon any other country. We are going to be self-reliant. We are going to be the Atmanirbhar populations of the world. Finally, he told that the trade between any two countries or trade deals need to be mutually beneficial. And we are committed to talks. If Donald Trump is ready to talk, we are ready to talk. And I showed you that India is not a dead economy. India is growing economy, fastest growing economy, emerging nation. Third, we are now 4th largest, aspiring to become the 3rd, aspiring to become the 1st, aspiring to become the global power by 2047. All the best. Jai Hind.